Hi. I'm leading at OurCrowd what we call our network. Basically, this is the crew, all of us from our perspective, all of you from our perspective. Actually, our crew, our network, you're not passengers. You came here today. We're actually looking at individuals. It can be accredited investors, people who work for venture capital, it can be entrepreneurs, experts from different fields or sectors. It can be people who work for multinational corporates. It's individuals, because it's all about the people. During the summit, we've talked a lot about the future of innovation. And like Alex said right now, the rise of the sharing economy, the way that companies like Uber and Lyft, and now OurCrowd, are changing the way that we trade and that we do business. The entire game of this give and take had changed. You can still give, you can still get, not necessarily from the same entity. It's pretty dynamic, and we aim to bring value to each and every person sitting right here. What is the value that you can get? The best value, first and foremost, you have a positive impact of millions of elderly lives, like you've seen with Intuition Robotics. You can help them connect and access technology. You can help our future connected cars not get hacked. You can help by improving cancer treatments, brain recovery from strokes, prevent prescription errors. You can be a part of all of this. What you need to give back in return, you don't even have to step out of your comfort zone. You can be an advocate. You can promote the companies that you believe in. You can be a facilitator, which means that you can actually make connection, connect people for business development purposes, for market fit validation. You can take another step forward and actually help us source and improve deal flow, bring more investors that will be a part of this game. Or you can be a mentor. You can use our app to join one of OurCrowd's expertise group and actually help the companies grow, give feedback, work alongside them. The MVP, that's the sports one, not the tech one, the most valuable players will actually be able to use the same network that we're using for their own benefit, the one that they contribute to. But our investors and our co-investors, they'll enjoy the same benefit as we do. Higher return rates, just because we as a network can help our companies. And our network is so amazing that there's no door that we can't open. And how do we do that? I'm going to give you a sneak peek of our behind-the-scene back-end system. So I'm sure that all of you have seen our Summit app. So for example, two of our cybersecurity companies, Argos and Morphisec, they said that they are looking for manufacturers. Specifically, they gave us a couple of names. They spoke about, and this is all in the app, you can see it, Ford and General Motors. So we're going to our back-end system, where you can see, this is a demo. We took a lot of our strategic connections, our investors, and where they can bring us to. And behold, we have both investors that are C-level executives in these companies. Out of privacy issues, we're not going to tell names of everybody, and strategic partnerships with a couple of people, C-level executives in these kind of companies. Another example, we'll take the medtech sector. We have Side Diagnostics, and we have Mamic, two of our amazing medtech companies. They're looking for hospitals in the United States for the purposes of conducting clinical trials, of collaboration, of actually getting a market fit validation. Back again to our database, you can see how we can connect them with the Montefiore and the Henry Ford Hospital. Again, we have a very strong and tight connection with all this. So we can help open doors and make warm introductions for our companies. But the only way to do it is that we need to get to know you, you need to get us better. So we ask you, come join us and introduce yourself. Go to ourcrowd.com/intro, tell us more about yourself. Together, there's no doors that we can't open. Thank you.